Yay! Welcome back. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made my daughter's hair. Yeah, I did this braid on my daughter. I used the multi expression. It's a multi crochet which I got from Nigeria, and you can see that's up in the video. That was the crochet I used to make this beautiful hair that you're seeing on my daughter. Yeah, it looks so beautiful. So sit back, relax. Let me show you the sneak peek how I did this beautiful hair. For people that live outside Nigeria, West Africa, you know, if you live in a developed country, if you want to do this type of hair, you will have to buy the extension and spend almost maybe $100 in getting this. I actually use 4 packs of this multi crochet. That is what I used to make this beautiful braid, which I did on my daughter's hair. And for multi crochet, you don't have to coil the down parts. It always comes naturally coiled. And the reason why I like to use this multi crochet is because it saves me a whole lot of mess around, you know, pulling normal braid extension. It always make a mess around there. But this is clean and it's easy for me, and I've been doing this for almost 7 years now. I prefer to do this. And for people that don't know how to braid, this is how you braid. You take it, you cut a section of the hair out, and you try to divide it into 3 parts, and you carefully braid it together. You want it to be very tight, like this one that I'm doing on my daughter's hair. Head is going to last maybe almost 2 months, and it will still look neat. And so this is how I save my family a whole lot of money. If I had to go do this braid for my daughter outside, I'll be paying $200. Yes, you heard me right. For the braid alone, I'll be paying between $150 to $200. And this does not include the ear extension, which I use to braid this ear. So naturally or normally, if I want to do this ear where I live, I will need to have about $250 to $300. But this is my way of saving my family money by learning this DIY skills. I have been doing my daughter's hair, I do my hair, and if you multiply $250 by 12 months, that's actually a whole lot of money. It's significant. 250 multiplied by 12 months, that is $3,000 in a year. And I have 2 beautiful daughters, but I always do their hair. So this is me doing the hair. It's very easy. Try this hack out. Again, you have to carefully cut the hair, and you take your ear extension and you try to braid it. You divide that into 3 parts and you carefully knit it, braid it together. And this is what I did, and this is how I got this beautiful hair done. And boom, I finished everything, and it looks very beautiful. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Again, you can actually save your family money by learning these skills. You have to know it. And this is my daughter, and this is the hair after we were done, and it looks very beautiful, and I'm so glad I did it. Will you try this out? Let me know in the comment section. Until next time when I come your way, it's still your girl, Cecelia. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now. Thank you.